Bang for your buck. It's an idiom often thrown about by potential buyers sniffing around the new car market. Typically, the bang refers to value in the buck to money.
But what if the bang signified peak power instead? Well, we decided to dig around South Africa's new car market and unearth the 5 cheapest vehicles with 200 kilowatts or more.
The resulting list makes for interesting reading, and comprises a trio of hot hatches, an aging pseudo-coupe and an even older off-roader. For the record, the R5 12900 Dodge Journey 3.6 RT would have also made this list.
1. Renault Megane RS 275 Trophy, R4 89900.
Yes, there's a replacement in the works, what with the 4th generation Megane having recently been launched.
But the outgoing Megane RS is still one of the most focused front-wheel drive hot hatches on the market.
Scampering to 100 km/h in a 6.0 seconds thanks to its 201 kilowatts/360 Nm 2.0-liter turbo 4.
2. Volkswagen CC 3.6 V6 4Motion, R5 72000.
The VW CC is still on the market, and this range-topping derivative packs a naturally aspirated 3.6-liter V6 petrol mill worth 220 kilowatts and 350 Nm.
The 4-door CC, with its coupe-like roofline, will see off the sprint to 3 figures in just 5 seconds, with a little help from its standard all-wheel drive system and 6-speed dual-clutch transmission.
3. Volkswagen Golf R, R5 81800. This list would seem somewhat incomplete if some sort of Golf didn't make the cut, wouldn't it? In this case,
it's the manual Golf R, which turns out 206 kilowatts and 380 Nm, detuned for the local market, from its 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder heart.
All-wheel drive allows this derivative to hit 100 km/h in just 5.2 seconds, while the more expensive dual-clutch variant slices 2/10 off that time.
4. Opel Astra OPC, R5 82600.
Like the Golf R above, the Astra OPC features a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-pot with a peak power output of 206 kilowatts.
The Opel boasts a little more torque, at 400 Nm, but since all of this oomph is sent to the front wheels alone,
it takes 6.0 seconds to complete the obligatory 0 to 100 km/h dash. And, like the Megane RS above, it's manual or nothing. 5. Jeep Wrangler 3, 6 liters Sahara, R5 88900.
the Wrangler, of course, has been around for a relative age. This entry-level derivative employs a 3.6-liter V6 petrol unit,
which sends 209 kilowatts and 347 Nm to all four wheels via a 5-speed automatic, with low range as standard.
This old-school SUV is highly capable off the beaten track, and can even see off the sprint to 100 km/h, on tar, of course, in a smidgen over 8 seconds.